Looking for the best budget cars in America this 2026 without spending over $5,000? In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 reliable, affordable, and value-packed cars you can still buy in the USA right now. Stay tuned, and let's get started. Coming at number 1 is Toyota Corolla 2005 to 2010 models. If you're looking for a reliable, fuel-efficient, and affordable car, the Toyota Corolla from 2010 to 2025 is one of the smartest choices you can make. These cars are known for low maintenance costs, smooth driving, strong resale value, and long-lasting engines that can easily go hundreds of thousands of miles. Whether you want a daily commuter or a dependable family car, the Corolla delivers comfort, safety, and value every time you hit the road. Coming at number 2 is Honda Civic 2004 to 2009 model. The Honda Civic 2004 to 2009 remains one of the best budget-friendly cars you can buy today. It offers great fuel economy, sporty styling, reliable engines, and low maintenance costs. Whether you're a first-time buyer or need a dependable daily driver, this Civic delivers performance, comfort, and long-term value. Coming at number 3 is Ford Focus 2008 to 2011 models. The Ford Focus 2008 to 2011 is a smart choice for drivers who want affordability, comfort, and solid fuel economy. It offers smooth handling, a spacious interior, and low ownership costs, making it perfect for daily commuting or first-time car buyers looking for dependable value on a budget. Coming at number 4 is Hyundai Elantra 2008 to 2012 models. The Hyundai Elantra 2008 to 2012 is a great budget-friendly sedan with impressive fuel economy, a comfortable interior, and affordable maintenance costs. It's reliable, easy to drive, and packed with value, making it a smart option for students, commuters, and anyone looking for a dependable everyday car. Coming at number 5 is Mazda 3 2006 to 2010 models. The Mazda 3 2006 to 2010 is perfect for drivers who want sporty performance without sacrificing reliability. It delivers sharp handling, great fuel economy, stylish looks, and a comfortable interior, making it one of the most fun and affordable compact cars you can own on a budget. In conclusion, before buying any used car under $5,000, 1. Check the vehicle history report. 2. Inspect for rust or accidents. 3. Test drive the car. And 4. Have a mechanic inspect it.